What's going on? Good morning, everybody. Coming to you from Everett, Pennsylvania. Going to start my morning off right with a nice cold ice cream for breakfast. Yeah, let me get my ice cream, then I'll show you on the map where I'm at right now. What does Jax think about my breakfast choice? Yeah, you like it too, huh? Actually went with the chocolate milkshake, one of my new favorites for breakfast, actually. This is more preferred over popcorn, actually, lately. Let me show you where I'm at in comparison to the entire United States right now. So here's our map, guys. We started over here in San Francisco. I am right about here in Pennsylvania, southwest Pennsylvania right there, and we gotta go doop, and then we're done. The end is near. That's kind of sad, but we're gonna have some fun today. Oh, well, I pulled off thinking it was a penny. It's actually a quarter. A big, huge silver quarter. That's pretty cool, though. Oh, and it's another roadside giants of the Lincoln Highway here in Pennsylvania. Again, built by the students of the... Oh, they've been busy on the Lincoln Highway. Thanks for the quirk, guys. Love it. Actually, here's the other neat thing I want to point out. You know, some of the restaurants and places that have closed since that book that I got from 2007. Well, this quarter was put here in 2009. So this wasn't even included in that Lincoln Highway book that I had back then. So even though we are losing some of the older stuff, we are getting some interesting new art added to Lincoln Highway. So that's good. I think we're in Amish country, guys. Roadside giant again of the Lincoln Highway, a 1920 Selden 1.5-ton pickup. That's for hauling, guys. That's for hauling stuff. Yeah! I think we're in Amish country. We may see some horses and buggies around here. Boy, did it sure get warm quick. Just stopping here to get some supplies, and then remembered that I forgot to show you guys a change I made with strapping the motorcycle. As I mentioned, some of those straps were coming off on the road. I have 4 of them. I've had 4 of them, and I would stop sometimes, and randomly one would be loose, either up here or down here. And as you can see, yeah, I have closed loop S's all the way around, and a soft tail here, so no longer hooking on the bar up here, but strapping and then hooking right there. And these are Rhino motorcycle straps. They're meant for that. So I just feel that that's gonna make it no matter what happens. Like if you simulate some kind of movement and this loosens, it's not gonna come off anywhere because it's essentially locked in everywhere. And been doing this since down in Georgia, and they have not once has it come off. And there's no way to come off, really. So feel a lot safer. I also angled my rear camera down. It used to be more out and showing what's coming up to the RV, but I already have that on the 2 sides pointing out and behind me. So this camera now is pointing straight down. I can look on my phone while I'm driving live and look and see what the motorcycle does on the back, okay? Quirky. This little section of Lincoln Highway is a little bit quieter, a little bit off the beaten path, a little more remote. Nice little creek back here with some orange tulips, and we are gonna see what's going on here at Mr. Ed's, guys. Yeah, a little roadside attraction, I believe. In fact, check out this old Ford box truck with some artwork on it. We haven't made it quite to the front yet, but Mr. Ed's Elephant Museum and Candy Emporium. A giant smiling elephant there. Little coin mechanical elephant there. Snow White. Toy soldiers. And look, a little elephant pond. Okay, no fishing. Oh. So yeah, all kinds of candy. Big elephant up there. Horton here's a who. All right, let's check out this elephant museum. Hey, Dumbo, Dumbo. A lot of elephants, guys. At what point do you just say, I have a problem. I have a problem collecting elephants. It's okay though. I mean, if you got room to store them. Wow. Never know what you're gonna see on the Nomadic Fanatic Show, the largest collection of elephants. Well, I'll at least give them credit. They have a massive magnet collection. Even some Gettysburg stuff. These are kind of bulky, but it says Mr. Ed's on it. I think I have to get one of these. It's really lightweight too. On my way out, she asked me if I went to the back to see the Teapot Museum as well. The trail just continues back here. Miss Pat's Teapot Museum. See how it's kind of shaped like a teapot? Is there a handle over there? Yeah. Okay. Okay. And we have a bunch of teapots. There's Santa smoking a pipe. Okay. Interesting. Pretty much guarantee you don't see stuff like this just off the highway, guys. I don't think so. Peanut. I don't know if the elephant's named Peanut or if they're growing peanut or... Ooh, look at that big toad. You guys see him there? I don't think that's a fake... No, he's moving. That's a real toad. Okay, the Enchanted Forest. Alrighty. It's a SpongeBob bird feeder. Very cool. Oh, guys. Guess what we found here? The elusive, yep, Bigfoot, guys. We found Bigfoot. Actually, anybody seen Harry and the Hendersons? This looks like Harry from the movie. That's exactly what this one looks like. Very happy, very smiley, not angry. I think him and Jack should really get along. So I did get my elephant from Mr. Ed's. Also got my official first Pennsylvania. This is my first Pennsylvania magnet, I think. I can't remember ever getting one before when I was in the northwest tip. And although I haven't been there, I got this one because I don't know if I'm going to be able to find one. So I'll show you this one later. Okay. The coffee cups that they sell include filling them up with your choice of candy. So Tootsie Rolls, those little strawberry ones, and some caramel on the bottom as well. I recently had my Nomadic Fanatic coffee cup actually break on me. I still have my Don't Be a Tater Hater, but my coffee cup with my Nomadic Fanatic logo broke, so that's why I went with this one, which, can you see the outline of Pac-Man with the blue? It doesn't say anything, but I think when you add hot water to this or coffee, it comes to life. And so I'm going to test it right now. See what happens when I add coffee to this cup. As I spill it on the ground too. Okay. Maybe it takes a minute. Might take a minute. Oh! Is it doing it on your side? See how it's starting to light up? Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, Pac-Man. Oh, I love it. That is my favorite new coffee cup. Comes to life when you add hot water. Coffee, I mean. Why would I drink hot water? Well, for apple cider. Awesome. You know, a point on the Elephant Museum, though, I guarantee you if it had not been for the quirky collection of elephants, I would not have stopped at just a candy store. Come check out our Lincoln Highway candy store. I wouldn't have made that stop. So, I say it all the time, if businesses go out of their way to provide quirky, interesting, unusual stuff, and then also have magnets at the end of the day, it's a great stop. For anybody, really. So, good job. Here's an old one, guys. The haunted Cashtown Inn. Established in 1821. Haunted. If you're traveling though, guys, I would say just make Mondays and Tuesdays your I'm not doing anything day, because as you can see, they're not open on Sundays or Mondays here. It's tempting to just park in their lot and sit here and wait till tomorrow, but nah, I gotta get on the road. I was gonna do Well, you guys already know what I'm doing in my next video. Gettysburg, probably. Look at this plaque though, Civil War Building, July 1863. It is said that this building was actually the Confederate headquarters here, and that might be kind of why it's haunted as well. Something about one of these rocking chairs will move as if the general is still sitting out front. But the idea of anything being haunted is kind of neat. Okay, here's another plaque. Historic Cashtown Inn. Well, this says established 1797, which is much earlier than 1821 where it says the other one. But sorry, we're closed. The inn will be closed today. Check-in only. I don't have a reservation, so... Okay, wait. Just trying to get my facts straight. So it was established as the Cashtown Inn in 1797 and established the Civil War Building in 1863. And now it's back to a Cashtown Inn, which is cool. I think it's actually also a bed and breakfast as well. Cashtown Inn, Conference in the Road. Oh yeah. This is an important little Confederate stop here as far as history goes. And they've actually preserved it really well. Let's look over here, take a look. Yeah, nice. Too bad, darn. Would have been nice to stop in there and see what the inside museum looks like, but Army of the Northern Virginia, Stewart's Cavalry Division, Imboden's Brigade, 18th Virginia Cavalry, 62nd Virginia Infantry. Honestly, I probably could get away with just parking here for the rest of the day and wait until tomorrow, but I just don't want to get in trouble around here in these small towns. I don't want to abuse anything, so gonna get over to my secure place to park for the night. And I'm here just outside of Gettysburg now, guys. Gonna have to get tricky because I got into Gettysburg, thought I could stay here, and I can't. This is an absolute first, never seen anything like this one. RV parking limited to 2-hour maximum at night. Never seen that one. Don't really know if it's enforced. There are a few other RVs here, but I feel like I can't really take that chance. I'm trickle charging the battery on here. It was down to 50%. I think the alarm does, you know, it has some ghost draw battery overnight, so maybe just once a week I'll just hook up the trickle charger and charge it up, get it ready. But I have to leave Gettysburg now because I can't stay here tonight. It's like 4:30 p.m. and I want to do Gettysburg tomorrow. Actually, I wanted to spend 2 days, but all of the parks and RV parks and everywhere are full, so I'll have to get creative, but I'll be back with you here in a couple days. You guys have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.